Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss solution of page 6 geometrical optics exercise 1 and question number 16. In this question it's given, I'm not going to derive, this is a very simple 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. I'm not going to derive this, I will start from this one. Two lenses, right, are kept in contact. So as here formula will become P equal to P1 plus P2. That means, so power will become how much here? Is 10D and minus 5D. So just 5 diopter into power, right? This is solution of question number 6, 16th main and question number 1. This is first part. Second part, where should an object be held from the lens? This length, right? Now, focal length of this length will become how much? See, power is equal to P, I got 1 by F, no? So, F is equal to how much? 1 by P. So, 1 by 5, convert this to, yes, centimeter. So, this will become 100, right? So, we will be getting here, F is equal to how much? 20 centimeter, right? So, if I got 20. Now, second part of this question, it's saying, where should an object be held from the lens so as to obtain a virtual magnification of 2. So obviously, if I take m is equal to v by u, right? And it's virtual means image should be formed same side of the lens, right? That means image and object both should be along same side of the lens, right? Then one will get virtual image here. So here u and v both will be a negative. So this is how much? It's given. Let's say u is equal to minus x, 2, right? So v is equal to 2x, 2u, right? And take u is equal to minus x. So v is also minus 2x, right? Fine. Now we can apply the formula here. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, right? So this will become 1 by minus 2x plus 1 by minus x is equal to 1 by 20. This if you simplify this, you will get here 1 by 2x is equal to 1 by 20. So x will become 20 by 2, so 10 centimeter. And what's the u value I have taken? U is equal to minus x, so minus 10 centimeters. Correct? So this is the solution of question number 16. Okay, students, fine. Thank you.